Do you want to give your students practice, but in a fun and engaging way with technology? Hi, my name is Courtney Alexander, and I'm going to show you how to create a Smartboard activity for your students to practice content of your choice. Let's get started. First, I will show you the activity that I'm talking about. So this is the activity that we're going to create today. It is not as difficult as it seems, but it's fun and engaging, and you can customize it to student interests. Let's get started creating a game. So you'll need a clean page like this one. Then you'll need to come up here to the top and click this icon. It is the Smart Lab icon. It looks like an Android symbol. So when we click on this, it brings up the lab in a separate page. There are many activities to choose from, and you should really check out all of them. Today, we're going to do the super sort. Once you click on it, it brings up the content. You need to fill in your content of your choice. So for the sort, you'll need two different types of something. Today we're going to do living and non-living. So you need to put in what they're going to be sorting. We will put in living on this side and non-living on this side. Underneath each, you will need to put what is correct. So for living, we need a cow, a dog, a monkey, and a tree. You can add up to 10 items on each side. On this side, for non-living, we will put a rock, shoes, a car, and a bed. Once you have all of your content filled in, you will click the blue Next button at the bottom of the screen. This brings up the themes, and you can choose any of the themes you would like. They all do something just a little bit different. So we have the dragon, the garden, jungle, jungle island, pirates, rock concert, simple, space, and space on Mars. Today, for our activity, we'll use pirates. Once you have chosen your theme, you will click the blue Finish button at the bottom of the screen. And that's your activity. Your activity is all finished. For your students to play this game, when they are on the Smartboard, they will choose one of these here at the bottom. It has sound. Let's hear the sound. So when they click on one, our first one is bed, they will decide, is it living or non-living? So a bed is non-living, so they will touch it and drag it over to non-living and drop it there. If it's correct, it does this. If it's incorrect, it puts it back into the game so they can retry and do it correctly. Once you are finished and all of them have been sorted, you can restart the game. I hope this helps you and you are well on your way to making your own activity for your students. Have fun!